In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Trailhead, a powerful and interactive learning platform designed to help you get the skills needed for various Salesforce roles. Let's dive right in and explore its functionalities in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to start by heading over to trailhead.salesforce.com. Here, the journey begins. Click on the Sign Up for Free button, and you can create an account using your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google, LinkedIn, or Salesforce account. This flexibility ensures that you can get started quickly and effectively without any unnecessary hassle. Once you're all set up with your account, it's time to decide what you want to learn. Whether you're interested in becoming a Salesforce admin or developer, Trailhead has got you covered. In the search bar, type in the specific topics or roles you're interested in. This feature allows you to tailor your learning experience to match your career goals and interests, making it both efficient, visual, and engaging. After choosing your desired topics, it's time to pick a module or a trail to begin your learning adventure. Modules are bite-sized and focus on specific topics, while trails are a series of modules grouped together to give you a comprehensive understanding of broader roles or themes. Your selection here will set the tone for the kind of knowledge you will gain. And remember, the key is to start small and gradually move to more advanced topics. As you navigate through the lessons, you'll encounter a blend of reading materials and hands-on challenges. These are designed to reinforce what you've learned, and by engaging with these challenges, you can solidify your understanding and prepare yourself for real-world applications of Salesforce. It's a very hands-on experience, so be sure to take your time and absorb the information thoroughly. As you progress, you'll earn badges and points. This gamification element not only makes learning more fun, but provides you with tangible proof of your new skills. Each badge represents a module you've completed, and you get bragging rights you can share with colleagues and potential employers alike. Don't forget to track your progress on your Trailhead profile. This tool gives you a clear view of where you stand in your learning journey and which areas might need more attention. Keeping an eye on your progress motivates you to keep pushing forward. Finally, as you grow more confident and skilled, explore the projects and super badges available on Trailhead. These are designed for deeper skills and offer a chance to tackle real-world scenarios. Super badges allow you to showcase your ability to apply your knowledge in practical situations, making them valuable assets in your professional portfolio. And there you have it, a quick tour of how to use Salesforce Trailhead. With its intuitive interface and engaging content, you're well on your way to mastering Salesforce skills. So go ahead, dive in, and start your Salesforce learning adventure today.